the back-to-school crew, and it's hard to believe that summer break is almost over.
And it's time to get ready for a new school year. I'm Aimsley Moran.
And I'm Jacob Dunlap, and we're here to tell you about our amazing elementary schools in the Cabot School District. First, we would like to introduce to you our wonderful principals. Central Elementary, administrators Don Verkler and Macy Leggett. Eastside Elementary, administrators Jill Fletcher and Madison Darr.
Magnus Creek Elementary administrators Kelly Bateston and Bethany Hill. Mountain Springs Elementary administrators Mandy Watkins and Tori Harrison. Northside Elementary administrators Haley Beavert and Miriam Berryhill.
Southside Elementary administrators Stacy Allen and Melissa Fury. Stagecoach Elementary administrators Carol Skiba and Julia Treadway. Ward Central Elementary administrators Connie Reed and Frankie Glover.
Westside Elementary administrators Teresa Richardson and Michelle Atherton. Cabot Learning Academy administrator Joanne Blaylock.
Our principals are super excited to meet you and begin another great school year.
Postcards from your child's teachers will be mailed out in advance of open house. Open house will be Thursday, August 8th from 5 to 7:30 p.m. The time you should be there depends on your last name. A through G is from 5 to 5:30 p.m., H through M is from 5:30 to 6 p.m., N through S is from 6 to 6:30 p.m., and T through Z is from 6:30 to 7 p.m. Parents, don't worry about buying supplies. There is a $25 supply fee that includes a t-shirt. The fee can be paid at open house or the first week of school by cash or check.
You can also pay the supply fee online. The online payment store can be found on your school's website. The link is also on the district website under Resources for Parents.
Want to know about buses or car rider lines? All of that information is available at the open house too. You can also go to the district website, cabotschools.org, and click on the bus stop icon at the top of the page. What about lunch?
Well, during open house, you can put money in your child's account to pay for breakfast and lunch. You can do it online. Just look for Easy School Pay under the Quick Links section on each school's website.
Also during open house, you can fill out forms for free and reduced price meals. Or you can apply online by going to the district's website or clicking the Easy Meal app link on your school's website.
All of this information can be found on our awesome Cabot School District app. Don't forget to download it. It's free and has the latest school news.
Now remember, the first day of school is Tuesday, August 13th. Doors open at 7:30 a.m. The first bell rings at 7:50 and the tardy bell rings at 8. School dismisses every day at 3:20 p.m.
And this is very important. If you have a child that will be in kindergarten, is a new student, or a returning student, you must pre-register or update their information online. Click on the student registration button at the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Administrative Office at 501-843-3363.
We are excited for the new school year and we hope you are too.
Have a good one.